Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into the world of inmate communications, specifically NCIC inmate communications, and how it's evolving by 2025. If you or someone you know has ever wondered about how prisons handle calls, visits, and messaging for inmates, this video is for you. Let's break it down step by step. First off, what exactly is NCIC? NCIC stands for National Criminal Justice Communications, and it's a leading provider of secure communication solutions for correctional facilities across the United States. Think of it as the backbone that keeps inmates connected to their families and the outside world while maintaining strict security protocols. In a nutshell, NCIC offers services like phone calls, video visitations, email, and even messaging apps tailored for prisons. Now, why is this important? Well, in 2025, we're seeing major upgrades. With advancements in technology, NCIC is integrating AI for better monitoring and fraud detection, ensuring that communications are not only efficient but also incredibly safe. For instance, their systems use advanced encryption to prevent unauthorized access, and features like real-time translation could help overcome language barriers for diverse inmate populations. This means families can have clearer, more reliable interactions without the hassle. One of the biggest benefits is for the inmates themselves. Staying in touch reduces isolation and can even aid in rehabilitation. For correctional facilities, NCIC's platforms help manage communications more effectively, cutting down on costs and improving overall security. And for families, it's about peace of mind, knowing their loved ones are just a secure call away. As we look ahead to 2025, NCIC is also focusing on affordability and accessibility, with mobile apps that make scheduling visits easier than ever. If you're interested in learning more, check out their website or explore similar services in your area. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech and justice topics, and hit that bell icon. What's your take on inmate communications? Drop it in the comments below. See you next time.